All right, we're at the building called Andrews Hall. University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Built in 19...
Okay, Jeffrey, is that all I have to do?
Yes.
Can I go now since I'm videoing it?
Yes. Built in 19...
Okay, go up there and do a picture or whatever.
Or this video still up the built in 1928.
So you get the whole thing. You get the whole thing?
Yes.
Okay.
1928.
Yes, that's only it. That's right.
That's 100 years ago.
I don't know about that one. We'll look it up when we get home.
Yeah. Okay. Scream.
Keep it quiet.
Okay.
Because you're not having classrooms up here.
Okay. Let's see. Yes, see the elevator's still original. So far, so good.
Okay.
It's still original.
Okay.
This is the 1978 Dover. Oh, sorry, we'll go down first. So here we go. This is original. Let's go into the basement. Instant door close. Let's watch this noise. The basement. Let's go to 3. Instant. Listen to this motor get ready. How is that motor? Probably epic. 1. Yeah, 3, 2, and 1 are completely burned out. Move out of the way, Mom. Get a cat view. This is just your standard older 1970s Dover elevator. You have pictures, classic black buttons, certificates at Dover. There's your ADA phone. There's Mom come out the elevator. There's Oki nameplate. And I'm on any day now. Oh, there it goes. And that's it.
Okay, are we done?
Yes.
Can I go?
Yes. Mom, so far so good. Say bye on the camera.
Bye.